Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes, fix unknown USB device descriptor request failed error in Windows 11, 10. Open Device Manager. Right-click unknown USB device, click Properties. Click Details tab. Select Device Instance Path, copy value. Type Regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H key local machine, click and expand system, click and expand current control set, click and expand enum. \paste registry path. Create new DWord 32-bit value named as Enhanced Power Management Enabled, change value data to 0. Close and exit registry editor. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.